So in this video I'm going to show you an alternative to using hot solder to join your wires together on the SpinBot project. I have here a tube of, it's called electric paint. It's basically a conductive paint but also acts as a glue. And I've got 3 wires here that I've twisted together. And I'm going to apply some of the paint to the wires. Now, preferably I'd use a paintbrush, small little art paintbrush, but in this case I'm just going to squeeze it directly onto the wire. You can see how much I'm using there. It's not very much. Just want to coat the wire thoroughly on all sides. That's it. And I'm going to let that dry. And after it's dry, I'm going to wrap it with a piece of copper foil tape and then cover that with a shrink wrap tube. And I'll just slide over that and apply some heat and it'll shrink to fit. And that should secure these wires. Okay, so after our electric paint dries, I'm going to use a piece of copper foil. And I've removed the backing paper. And we're just going to take about an inch of copper foil, just wrap it tightly around the wires, the electric paint. And then we're going to slip a piece of shrink wrap tubing over it. You can cut that to fit. And if you have red, use red, but you can use any color you like. And now we're ready to apply some heat to that shrink wrap. I'm going to use a hair dryer if you have one, or if you have a heat gun, you can use that. But a hair dryer works as well. That's it. You can see how the tubing has shrunk tightly to fit to insulate our wires, and they're nice and firmly connected. That's it.